Hi, my name's Peter. I'm one of the co-founders of Bullet. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to explain to you how Bullet automates your accounts and your returns, and why, because of it, you won't need to hire an accountant. Bullet comprises 6 different compartments. We have invoices for creating invoices to clients. We've got money in for recording invoice payments or loans. We have money out, which is like bills, expenses, or mileage. We have wages for paying yourself or employees. We have tax, and this is where all your tax returns sit, so you can just upload them to Ross. And we have healthcheck here, which focuses very much on cash flow. So let's jump into invoices now, and we'll create an invoice for a client. So we're going to create an invoice for Ogilvy's here, because we did some design work for them, about 6 days, and we did that at about 400 euros. We're going to give them a discount of 200 euros because they're a good client. And you can see automatically we're starting to calculate the VAT. All the VAT rates are in there. They get updated automatically. If we need to add another line, we can simply do that there. But I think we're happy with this. This is what it's going to look like in the PDF. We're happy with that. We're going to send it to Ogilvy's. And that gets sent off as a beautiful looking PDF to the client. So here's the outgoing invoice, so we're going to record a payment about that. So here we go, 2,706. So we're happy with that. We're going to review it. It gets explained to us in plain English what's going on. We can have a look at the details if we want. We're going to save that, and now that gets marked as paid. And if we go back to our home page and have a look at our VAT, you can see now that it's picked up that 506 euros has been added to the VAT. So let's have a look at money out. So let's say I got an electricity bill. So I'm going to mark that in, supplier is ESB. It's a service. Okay. And I'm going to call this electricity. And I paid €1,000 for it, and my VAT is 230. Okay. And I have paid for it, and it was the business that paid for it. And that was the date I paid for it on. So I'm happy with all of that. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to click continue. And if I jump back home now and have a look at my tax, you'll see now that my VAT bill has dropped because I've paid VAT on my electricity bill. And if you want to have a look at the details, they're all stored there. Very simple. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to create a mileage expense for myself. So I'm going to pay myself here. So I'm going to select myself. I went from the Dublin office, which is in Lord Edward Street, and I went to somewhere in Cork, but I can't remember, but it was Cork City, but that's no problem. So let's have a look here. We're going to zoom into the map just here. Oh yes, it was out here in Hillside. So I'm going to grab that pin and I'm going to drop it there. And you can see straight away we start to calculate that. We calculate the distance, and we also start calculating the rate. And we're meeting John Smith. I click review. I'm happy with that. This is how much I'm going to get reimbursed. 151. I did do a return journey, so it automatically calculates that. I'm happy with everything there. I'm going to click review, and I'm going to click save. And I'm going to click continue. And now it's entered the 2 payments that I'm going to receive back. Now we're going to go in and pay myself. And if I look at wages and I'm going to click pay Peter, already my expenses from my return journey has been added. So that's fully automated. We're going to put in a pension contribution of 100, company pension contribution of 100, and health insurance contribution of 100. I'm going to review that. Everything gets explained in simple English. I'm going to click save. I'm going to send Peter a payslip. I'm going to copy myself in on it, and I'm going to email that out to him now. And that is everything done now. If I click back on my home page and have a look at my to-dos, I can see my P30 has already been calculated. I can see my VAT has been calculated. Everything gets automated. It's that simple. You can find more videos on vimeo.com/bullethq. We hope you found this helpful. Drop us a line. Follow us on Twitter. Thanks very much. Bye now.